Well, Jim, several law experts say that it's a pretty big long shot. The deadline for Pennsylvania's counties to certify their results is November 23rd, and really only one thing can stop that from happening.
And they're asking courts to stop a certification, and that's what it would take for them.
Temple Law professor Craig Green says based on the court filings he has seen, he doesn't think that will be the case.
This is pretty uncharted territory because the American election system just doesn't have things like this happen.
Courts know the deadline they're up against. The Trump campaign has been largely unsuccessful thus far, but did pick up a win this morning in Commonwealth Court over the extension to fix voter ID issues. The judge said the Secretary of the Commonwealth lacked the statutory authority to issue that guidance and that those ballots corrected after November 9th should not be counted. In a separate case from Montgomery County, a Trump campaign attorney argued that nearly 600 ballots were counted despite having errors. The judge asked, "Are you claiming that there is any fraud in connection with these 592 disputed ballots?" The attorney replied, "To my knowledge at present, no." Pat Christmas of the nonpartisan watchdog group committee of 70 thinks these legal actions are doing more harm.
There was a survey out in September that found that 32% of Republican voters in Pennsylvania would not trust the tabulation of the votes with widespread mail-in voting. So I shudder to think now about what that figure would be today. And how many Pennsylvanians will not trust this outcome. He
agrees there needs to be a deep dive in the state's election code and looks forward to getting issues fixed in the upcoming legislative session.
We have every expectation that the results are going to be certified. We're going to wrap up this election, but the damage done to the voters' trust in our election process is going to be with us for years.
And the way this looks to those who are going through these cases, the margin of Joe Biden's lead right now in Pennsylvania appears to be too much to overcome. Now, if the votes are certified on November 23rd, the next big day would be December 14th. That's the day the electors in Pennsylvania meet. Live in the Montgomery County Bureau, Matt DeLucia, NBC10 News.